and welcome back to a new video of Learning Excel with me, Harshita, in a channel called All About HR. So, as you can see on my screen, we are going to work on something called filter and filter formula. Okay. So, ideally, here we do have a details called name, department, and salary. So, we are going to create a drop down here. Based on the drop down, we will ask the filter formula to give me the data over here. Okay. So how it works is first you copy this entire list and make it as a unique list. The way I have made the unique list over here. So once my unique list is ready, so make sure like whenever you are using a unique list, the thing is like there should be no repetitive departments because ideally when we are applying the filter so that gives us some kind of issue or concerns where we need to go manually check, we need to sit, we need to update all the details and all. So instead of that, you just copy this and paste it in an Excel and remove the duplicates. If not, you can come here, you can apply the formula called unique. By applying a formula called unique, select this entire data range and click on enter. Now you got your unique data. Copy this data and paste it as a values over this one word file. So you'll be having this kind of data. Once you get this data, copy this data and delete this. Go to the cell reference where you want to create a drop down. So in my case, it's a E2. So I have selected E2 and clicked on data. Under the data, here you find a data tools ribbon. Under the data tools ribbon, select the data validation. Here data validation. Now under the settings, instead of follow any value, select the drop down, click on the list and paste the copied data over here and then click on OK. Now you got your drop down. So for the time being, let's select HR manager as a department. Now let's come here and apply the formula called equals to filter. Once I open the filter, it's asking me what is the array I want to copy. So I'm going to give this entire range as an array. And after that, I want to include only the departments. So after I include the departments, what I'll be doing is like I will give an equals to symbol and this equals to this only then represent the data for me. So there are two peoples working under a HR manager department. For PMO, we do have two people working. For software development engineer, we do have two professionals working, one executive director. So in a so on way, you can create a drop down list. Based on the drop down list, you can create a unique values over here. I hope you people like this video. If you like that, please do subscribe to my channel. Click on the notification bar so that you would be the person who would get at the earliest notifications whenever I upload the videos. At the same time, please do not forget to share this video with your friends who are keen to learn Excel. The major benefit I would give you people is like I would be attaching a practice file for you people in a description. So do not forget to go and check out the practice file and practice it. So till the next video, signing off. Bye bye. Take care of yourself, your loved ones, and your surroundings. Bye bye.